Now, let's come to the third tool, which is nothing but the third tool is nothing but attractor pattern. Okay, so this attractor pattern is actually helps you to pattern in a very specific way. Okay, so with this attractor pattern tool, you can pattern the bodies, you can change the colors, you can change the shape, you can change the size, you can change the parameters in whatever way you want. Okay, so let me show you how does it works. So this is the tool pop-up window. How does it looks? It's same like other generation tools. So it is currently asking for base surface. So it need a base surface, which means it is not base surface nothing but on which face you want this pattern should be generated. So I'm going to select this face. Okay, so it is asking input body. So it is taken from the same studio, or else if you unselect it, you can also select from another part studio as well within the same document only. Okay, so currently we need a body to here to be pattern. Okay, not the any removed part, or if you're trying to select it, it won't be selected input body because this whole body is being get selected, I think. And it's asking the mate connector, which means it is asking you to the center of the body so it can follow it based on the center. And is it is attractors, which is nothing but the direction, because it won't go here because I'm selecting the same part here. So it is going to always generate a dam. So this is the direction it's asking. And there you go, it is already created the body parts of the same design in multiple times. Okay, so we just don't want this to be body, so you will get confused. So what I'm going to do, just close this. I already create a simple hexagon, just make it a solid right now. Okay, so I'm going to select the pattern again. So select the base surface, and it's asking the input body. I'm going to select this one, and it's asking mate connector of this body and choosing the center only. And it's asking the attractors, which is nothing but the direction or whatever you want, and choose the right plane. And there you go, it is applied. It's looks like same like V pattern, right? But it is different. So these are the all custom parameters that you can edit it. Okay, for example, let's choose the grid pattern. So we have three types here: rectangular and randomizer. If you choose random, it will the parts will be scattered like this. Okay, this type of pattern will be helpful when you want to make some atheistic products like that. Okay, so I want to make it rectangular, triangular. You can also do that. The pattern will be follow the triangular. You see, observe it clearly. No, I want to make it rectangular. You can also keep it just like before. So this is the UV count, which means U counts uh, the horizontal pattern and V counts the vertical, like how many you want. If you keep it forward, it's not coming up because the value is so much small. Because of the direction red plane I selected, I think if I choose this plane, then it's gonna go. Okay, you can keep how many you want. Let's keep it 6 by 6. Okay, Now you can also rotate the parts as you want. For example, I want to keep it rotated for 20 degrees and it rotated. So here actually it didn't rotate the part, I think. Let's keep it 30. It rotating the pattern. Like for example, it's grid rotation. So this is the total grid and it is rotating the complete grid. So let's keep it 45 degrees. It's looking good. Okay. And it's completely changed into a rectangular one, triangle pattern. So I want to maintain some border distance, just like previously in the fill pattern. Okay. Now let's come to the instance pattern. Let's close this grid pattern low. So if you can see here, you can pattern the scale, depth, rotation, and color as well. So this is helpful for rotate the parts. For example, let's choose the scale, and it will ask choose two options that for uniform. So currently choose uniform. So the scale will be from uniform. For I don't want to be uniform, just unselect it, and you can customize in all three directions, that is X, Y, Z. So if I choose uniform and I want the for value should be two times of the uh, current one, and see the for value where parts are bigger than the near one, or else you can also drop the size of the near value as well. Now I want to choose depth, which means how much depth the part should be penetrated to the given wall. Okay, so the for value it should be set as 0. No, I want it to be in. Um, I want it to be merged with the current part. So I increase the depth. Now I'm going to choose rotation. So this is currently the plan rotation. I want it to be rotated. As if you see, the whole parts are rotated. Only the near values are rotated. I want the far values as well to be rotated to 60 degrees. Okay, I think because of this one, right? Okay, well, let's keep it 45 degrees then. And there you go. Every part was rotated. And you can also customize the color as well here. That is the best one here. The near value is 25, 25, the far value is 25. So, or else, for example, this is the color code in Onshape. You can maintain it. As for example, let's keep it 250. I don't know. Let's keep it 100. Real alpha value. Okay. So sorry. This alpha value is like transparency, maintaining transparency. Let's keep it 255. And let's change the color code of this. I don't know the color codes yet, but you have to paste it here manually. The grid is not coming up to choose. Okay. For example, let's keep it. I don't know color code. Let's keep it 00000. I think this is the black color code. Hope it works. Yeah. Okay. The color code, the near value code was changed to completely black. Okay. And is the pattern, which means so these are like the range patterns, like you want to maintain within the 1 meter 1 inches only, if you want to make cut off within 1 inches only, if you want to fall off within 1 inches only. So you can pattern using the you can pattern using the distance here. This is the actual, this is the pattern parameters helpful. Just I don't want it to be right now, you can do. Okay, let's keep it fall off. Now let's see, there is a new tool that is decay. Let's keep it 100 and see what are the changes. Let's keep it 50 again. Wonder. I'm not quite sure how what is the decay. I'm unable to change the see the changes here because of the wave. I think let's keep it two. Let's give it five. Okay, the color code getting changed. That is the value of I think the decay. So let's unselect it. We don't want to be now. So currently this is make composite part. So these all parts converted into a composite part. Okay. So if you want to keep inputs, just select keep input. The input value should be also be in everywhere. Okay. So these are all customs, and here you can, if you don't want to see the parts, you can simply pause regeneration, and instead of parts you can see the points here. So based on the points, once you okay with the all pattern, you can simply uncheck this pause regeneration, the part will be reappear again. Okay. So I want it to be attached to this body. Let's simply select add, and it will ask you to merge part. Just choose this part, the part one, and all parts get to be merged. And don't worry, the colors don't won't be changed here. Or else, no, you want this to be removed. Just select remove, and the holes will be already generated. And save it. And there you go. We got this one, and we don't want to part here. And the pattern got applied. I think the depth value was not given by much to us. You can simply edit the depth if you want. Just to the add pattern, and you given the depth value here itself. Well, let's keep it point 2, point 3. Okay, let's point to this now. Okay, yeah, it worked. So this is how you can play with the attractor pattern. This is also helpful for you when you want to work with pattern designs. Okay, so this is the third tool we have completed. We have two more tools. Uh, let's get two more tools. Okay, the next tool will be